Hello, kiddos. I am letter E.
E sound is L. E for elephant. E elephant. E for eagle. E eagle. E for eggs. E eggs. E for eyes. E eyes. E for envelope. E envelope. E for ear. E ear. E for elbow. E elbow. E for earth. E earth. E for eraser. E eraser.